Hello everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make a multi-purpose whipped cream. This is an incredibly simple recipe that is quick and easy to make, and the consistency is really great for decorating desserts. So let's get started. For this recipe you need heavy cream and sugar. You can use heavy whipping cream or regular whipping cream as a substitute for heavy cream. However, the whipped cream will end up with a thinner consistency. So if you want it to be thick enough for decorating, I suggest adding a tablespoon of pudding mix or powdered gelatin to the whipping cream during the mixing process. First, put the heavy cream in a mixing bowl and mix with a handheld or standard mixer for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the heavy cream begins to ripple. Next, add the sugar and mix for another 30 seconds. Now scrape down the bowl and beater and mix for another 30 seconds, or until the mixture forms stiff peaks. At this point, the whipped cream is done. The use of the heavy cream gives the whipped cream a denser consistency than using regular whipping cream, which makes it great for decorating cakes and desserts. However, the whipped cream also turns out creamier and is low in sugar. This whipped cream is excellent for adding a dollop on top or on the side of a dessert or drink. Moreover, the consistency is perfect for making multi-layered cakes with whipped cream frosting, and can be put in a piping bag to decorate cakes and desserts. This whipped cream is simple to make and very delicious, so have fun giving this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has the written recipes and ingredient amounts. You can also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another recipe.